Welcome to the future of eyeliner. If you thought you'd seen it all when it comes to eye makeup, think again. This year, we're witnessing a total reinvention of the classic cat eye, and it's turning heads everywhere, from runways to TikTok feeds. Today is September 24th, 2025, and the beauty world has officially turned upside down. Trends are moving faster than ever, and what was once considered the gold standard in eye makeup is now being reimagined by a new generation of beauty lovers. The classic winged cat eye is finally taking a back seat. After years of dominating red carpets and Instagram grids, its reign is over, at least for now. Gen Z has spoken, loudly and clearly. We want softer, more modern looks that feel fresh and effortless, not rigid or intimidating. The days of spending hours perfecting a razor-sharp wing are fading fast. The new icon, the reverse cat eye, everywhere this year. It's the look that's popping up on magazine covers, in viral tutorials, and on your favorite celebrities. It's bold, it's unexpected, and it's here to stay. So what is it? We're flipping the focus from the top lid to the bottom. Instead of drawing attention upward, we're creating drama and definition along the lower lash line. Instead of a sharp wing on your upper lash line, all the magic now happens below your eye. The lower lid becomes the star of the show, giving your gaze a mysterious, alluring twist. This technique creates a sultry, elongated effect that flatters every eye shape. Whether your eyes are round, almond, or hooded, the reverse cat eye can be tailored to enhance your natural features. It's softer, smokier, and more approachable than the old cat eye. The lines are blurred, the edges are diffused, and the overall vibe is more relaxed, perfect for both beginners and pros. The reverse cat eye lifts and defines, no need for razor-sharp precision. It's forgiving, easy to blend, and lets you play with color and texture in ways the classic cat eye never could. It's about personal expression, not perfection. Each look is unique, reflecting your mood, your style, and your creativity. There's no right or wrong way to wear it. This shift reflects a bigger movement in beauty: authenticity and ease. We're moving away from rigid rules and embracing makeup that fits real life, not just photo shoots. We're embracing looks that enhance our features in subtle, impactful ways. The reverse cat eye can be as minimal or as bold as you want, making it perfect for any occasion. The reverse cat eye is a little grunge, a little glam, and totally customizable. You can go for a smudgy, rock star vibe or a sleek, high-fashion finish. The choice is yours. You can make it subtle or dramatic, day or night. It's versatile enough for a coffee run or a night out, and it transitions seamlessly from casual to statement-making. Get ready to forget everything you thought you knew about eyeliner. The rules have changed, and the reverse cat eye is leading the charge into a new era of self-expression. Let's flip the script and master the reverse cat eye. Whether you're a makeup minimalist or a trend chaser, this look is your ticket to effortless modern beauty. So grab your liner, get creative, and join the movement that's redefining what it means to make a statement with your eyes in 2025. The reverse cat eye is all about the lower lash line. By shifting the emphasis down, you create a new lifted silhouette that opens up the eyes. This is a game changer for hooded or monolid eyes. The look is soft and diffused. Forget sharp graphic lines. Use creamy blendable gel or pencil liners for a smoky, lived-in feel. Smudging is encouraged, making this technique accessible for everyone. Focusing on the lower lash line subtly redefines your eye shape. It draws attention to the outer corner, creating a gentle lift. This approach feels authentic and effortless, working with your natural features. Embracing the lower lash line is your ticket to a fresh, contemporary look. It's not just about eyeliner, it's a new perspective on beauty. Sometimes the most impactful changes are the most subtle. Before building your reverse cat eye, prep your canvas. Start with a clean, moisturized under-eye area. Let your eye cream absorb fully. Apply eyeshadow primer along both your upper and lower lash lines. Set with a light dusting of translucent powder or neutral eyeshadow. This absorbs oil and creates a smooth base for blending. Use a small, fluffy brush to sweep powder from brow bone to lower lash line. Proper prep prevents smudging and helps your look last all day. These few extra minutes make a world of difference. Now let's create the iconic reverse cat eye. With your eyes prepped, it's time to lay down the foundation. Choose a waterproof gel or pencil liner, creamy but long-lasting. Start at the inner corner of your lower lash line, drawing a thin line. Gradually thicken the line as you move outward, following your lash line. At the outer corner, extend the line slightly upward for a subtle flick. The flick should be short and soft, not dramatic. This creates a flattering, eye-opening effect. Work one eye at a time. Waterproof liners set quickly. Don't worry about perfection. We'll smudge it next. The line should start thin, get thicker, and end in a gentle lift. This is the skeleton of your look. Ready for the art of the smudge. Here's where the magic truly happens. Smudging is the secret that transforms your liner from a simple line into a soft, sultry reverse cat eye. This technique is all about creating that effortless, lived-in look that feels both modern and timeless. The smudge and blend step is what gives your eyes that mysterious, smoky allure, making them the focal point of your makeup. Work quickly before your liner sets. Timing is everything here. If you wait too long, the liner will dry down and become difficult to blend, so have your tools ready and move with confidence. You can use a small bullet brush for precision, a built-in smudger for convenience, or even your fingertip for a more organic, diffused effect. Experiment to find what feels most comfortable and gives you the finish you love. Start smudging at the outer corner of your eye where you want the most drama. Soften the flick by gently dragging the color upward and outward, following the natural shape of your eye. This creates that signature reverse cat eye lift. Blend along the lower lash line, focusing the most intensity on the outer third. This helps elongate the eye and gives a sultry, elongated effect that's both striking and wearable. As you move toward the inner corner, soften your touch. The inner line should be much lighter, creating a beautiful gradient that mimics the natural shadow of your lashes and keeps the look balanced. If your liner dries too fast or you want to intensify the color, simply add a bit more product and blend it out right away. Don't be afraid to layer. Building up gradually gives you more control. For extra depth and staying power, layer a matching powder shadow over your smudged liner. This not only intensifies the smoky effect, but also helps lock everything in place for longer wear. If you prefer a softer look, try smudging a powder shadow instead of a liquid or pencil liner. This technique keeps the edges diffused and the overall effect more subtle, perfect for daytime or a more understated vibe. Once you're happy with your blend, take a step back from the mirror and admire your work. The beauty of this look is in its imperfection. Each smudge adds character and depth. You've now created the smoky, dimensional base of your reverse cat eye. This is the foundation for the rest of your look, and it's what makes the eyes pop. Remember, the key is to blend before the liner sets. This step is what separates a harsh line from a beautifully diffused, professional finish. To keep the focus on your smoky lower lash line, let's keep the upper lid cool and minimal. Resist the urge to add more. Sometimes, less is truly more when it comes to eye makeup. The reverse cat eye is all about focus. Keep the upper lid minimal. For the purest look, leave the upper lid bare after priming and setting with powder. This creates a clean, high-fashion effect that lets the lower lash line shine. If bare feels too stark, sweep a neutral shadow across the lid for a soft wash of color. Use a shade close to your skin tone. Matte or satin works best. For subtle definition, try tight lining. Press a dark pencil into the roots of your upper lashes. This makes lashes look fuller without drawing attention from the lower lash line. The result? A modern, balanced look with all eyes on your reverse cat eye. Minimalism is the secret to this trend's impact. Time for the finishing touches that make your reverse cat eye pop. Curl your upper lashes and apply 2 to 3 coats of volumizing mascara. Don't forget the lower lashes. Use a smaller wand for precision. For a bold twist, try colored mascara on the lower lashes. Add a touch of highlighter or metallic shadow to the inner corner for brightness. This instantly opens up the eyes and adds a hint of glamour. Clean up any fallout or smudges with a cotton swab or brush. Sharpen the wing's tip if needed for a crisp finish. Brighten under the eye with a touch of concealer. Careful not to disturb your liner. With these steps, your reverse cat eye is ready to turn heads. Show off your look with confidence. The 2025 reverse cat eye is all about color play. Move beyond harsh black. Choose shades that complement your eye color. For blue eyes, try warm coppers, bronzes, or terracotta for vibrant contrast. Green or hazel eyes pop with deep purples, burgundies, or plums. These shades bring out gold and yellow flecks, adding depth. Brown eyes are versatile. Experiment with cobalt blue, navy, taupe, or gold. The right color makes your eyes the star of the show. Use color theory. Opposites on the color wheel create the most striking effect. Try multi-shade liner pencils to find your signature look. Don't be afraid to experiment. This trend is all about personal flair. Ready for pro tips to keep your reverse cat eye flawless all day? Whether you're heading to a glamorous event or just want to look your best from morning to night, these tips will ensure your makeup stays put and looks stunning. Use waterproof gel liners. They stick to the waterline and resist moisture. This is especially important if you have watery eyes or live in a humid climate. Waterproof liners are designed to withstand tears, sweat, and even a dip in the pool. Set your liner with matching powder shadow for extra staying power. This not only intensifies the color but also helps to lock the liner in place, preventing smudging and fading throughout the day. For hooded eyes, tilt your head up and look down into a mirror after applying liner. Let it dry to prevent transfer. This technique ensures that the liner dries completely without touching the upper lid, maintaining a crisp, clean line. Customize your look. Try a double wing or add a metallic accent for a futuristic twist. Experimenting with different styles can make your reverse cat eye stand out and reflect your personal style. The reverse cat eye is a versatile base. Make it your own. Whether you prefer a subtle look or something more dramatic, there are endless ways to adapt this trend to suit your preferences. When removing, use an oil-based remover or biphasic micellar water. These products are effective at breaking down waterproof makeup without causing irritation. Hold a soaked cotton pad over your eye for 30 seconds, then gently wipe away. This allows the remover to dissolve the makeup, making it easier to remove without rubbing or tugging at the delicate skin around your eyes. This ensures all makeup is removed without tugging. Proper removal is key to maintaining healthy skin and preventing irritation or damage to your lashes. With these tips, your reverse cat eye will look flawless from morning to night. No matter what your day holds, you can be confident that your makeup will stay in place and look as fresh as when you first applied it. Embrace the trend and make it uniquely yours. The reverse cat eye is not just a makeup look, it's a statement. Have fun with it and let your creativity shine.